Ain't no tip, who gon' get jealous when your friend.
Hey man, I appreciate everybody, man, who been rocking with the channel, who been, you know what I'm saying? I ain't dropped a video in like 4-5 days. I've been working, trying to get the car ready to go, trying to get the car wrapped. And as y'all know, I'm doing my own car. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to no shop. I was not fit to pay no $2,000-$3,000 to get my car wrapped. Them prices is dumb. I ain't paying them prices no more. I'm gonna learn how to do it myself and perfect it and kill it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, I just want to know what I'm saying. I got a couple of mods that I done got ordered in, man. I got one major mod that I got coming, man. Yeah, I can't wait to get this one. So it's actually here. I gotta go pick it up tomorrow. But so I actually got one in right now. This one from Z Automotive Tazer, and it's basically a double bypass. You know what I'm saying? It's basically an ODB port that plugs in the back of your car, man. As y'all know, if y'all don't know, 2019s and up, your ODB port is locked, so you can't put nothing in there that, you know what I'm saying, is designed to do anything other than try to read something or whatever. You can't do like the Tazer, what it's designed to do, shit, you can't do it, it's locked up. And actually right now, man, my car is actually doing a software update, so I hope that don't block out what I'm finna put in. Maybe I should have waited to do this. Let me show y'all. So my car actually doing some type of Uconnect software update, man, so I'm finna turn the back. Oh shit. So I'm finna jump in here in the back, man. We finna install this, and we're gonna see. I want to see like what I'll do to Tazer add to my car, because my car really already had. I wish I could show y'all, but if y'all go back and look at my previous videos, my car already got SRT mode. So like it got the super track pack, all that. It got everything. The only thing I don't have in my car that SRT got is a suspension, and you know, so I know I can add the windows go up and down. You can add the light show, but I got crazy lights, so I'm good on that. I ain't tripping. The shift light, man. I was interested in the shift light. I wouldn't mind having a shift light. Let's see what else can that thing add. The seatbelt noise, you take that off on mine that I don't got. But I'm not really sure what the Tazer can add for me, man. But I tell y'all what, it is a good mod to have, man. I would say if y'all don't have anybody that got an RT V6, or if you got a Scatpack that didn't come with the SRT modes, definitely go get you a Tazer. But the Tazer do not add horsepower, y'all. So don't add horsepower. But it's more or less of a feature upgrade. Like it unlocks a lot of stuff that your car is locked from the factory. So like I say, but just get this ODB port, man. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like, and I got another mod that we're gonna talk about in the next video, that where the ODB port really gonna come in handy, man, because we put it in the trunk. But yeah, man, let's go. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the car, what I got did so far. I'll let y'all see that the upgrade, but that'll probably be the last sneak peek I'll show y'all. I'm not showing no more sneak peeks until I drop the video, the B-roll, and then the whole reveal on my channel. So the reveal will go down on my channel first before anybody else in the world see it. That's locally, it will be premiered on my channel before anybody else gets it on their channel. So yeah, let's go. Like I say, the wrap is coming out good. You know, we did dough jams. We ain't, you know, ain't cutting no corners. Everything tucked good, you know what I mean? Tucked good. But like I said, I will do a full video, a whole wrap reveal video, B-roll video of everything I've been doing. But this is what I got laid down so far on the car, man. So hopefully, I got a lot more stuff ordered just to complete the wrap. But man, hopefully, shoot, man, I'm pushing for April the 3rd, man. I'm trying to get the car ready for April the 3rd. So, you know, I just do a little bit at a time during the weekend, you know what I'm saying, and try to get the car complete. But this is what the car looks like so far. Let y'all see that oh man, sheesh, that chrome is crazy. Yes sir, but let's install this double bypass, man. Let's go. Alright, so this right here, man, this is basically an ODB port. 55 bucks. You can get it off of zautomotive.com. And basically, man, you just plug it in to your fuse box. I'm gonna show you how we do that. and you're gonna have another ODB port in the back to run your Tazer, man. Even if, I mean, get this right here, even if you don't have a 2019, because you can always leave this plugged in the back. You know, a lot of times, say you go to the dealership and you know, you have to unplug, you have to take it out. Well, with this, just leave it in, because it's gonna be in the back, so nobody's gonna even know it's back there. So I'm finna get all this ready, and we're gonna do the whole install and jump back in, plug our Tazer in. So as y'all see, like I was saying, here go our double bypass. Boom. Blue and white right here on the white side, right here. The green plug, she's gonna put the green and yellow wire over here on the green side. Get the fuck out of the way. Green side with the white plugs, man. So now we want to slide this thing to the back, because now we're gonna be putting the rest of this gonna be going to the fuse box. All right, so I basically got mine installed. Like I say, man, y'all get this double bypass, man. Run that in there like that. You bring it to the back. Pull out fuse 37. Now it's not, it don't really seem like it's that secured in here, but I mean it's in. I'm finna go plug in and see if it works. Basically, man, connect these two plugs right here, and then the little black wire down there. Maybe I can see it a little bit, but anyway, the ground wire to this, ground it to the battery, man. And then your Tazer, we're gonna plug it in, and we're gonna see if it works. So we're gonna head to the car. Let's see what we got, man. All right, you guys, so when y'all pull that fuse out of that 37 block, I mean, make sure y'all put it back into the double bypass fuse box that it comes with, because that also comes with one to put it in. All right, guys, so man, I did install it. I was having trouble with my mount, but man, only thing it really added, man, I just kind of added the red background. Don't mind, I mean, I like that font with the red, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, if you got a 2019 Scatpack, man, it's not really much the Tazer can add to your car. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, we got all of this stuff. Now, like I say, I do want to see if the shift light gonna work, and it did change this from SRT modes to SRT dashboard now, but I mean, for the most part, I mean, it's still the same. It didn't add anything, it didn't take anything away. Like I said, it did add that. And now when you cut the car off, you do got the when you cut the car on, you got the little kitty cat, which we know this is not no Hellcat, so we ain't saying, oh shit, we in a Hellcat. No, that ain't what we saying. That you gotta add that to get the whole red background theme and all that, if you want that on the background of your theme. So y'all can see, man, me adding a Tazer on my car really didn't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? So for me, if you got a Scatpack that already got the SRT modes, I mean, it's really no use for you to buy the Tazer, because we already got line lock, we already got all the SRT modes and all the drive modes and all that. So if you adding it for the seatbelt theme maybe, or you wanted the light show, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I mean, you know, to me the Tazer, now, you know, now if you got the Hellcat, you might want to start looking at the burn box or something. Man, I couldn't even get my windows to work, to roll down. Maybe that's because it's one in the back and it's not plugged up to the main one. Maybe that's why that wasn't working. I tried to put the cargo cam on here. It didn't even put the cargo cam on her for some reason. I don't know why not, but the cargo cam, y'all know you can be in your car driving and turn your back camera on. As long as you're under 10 miles. That ain't even come on here, man. So yeah, man, I mean, I can't really see how you would benefit from using the Tazer. I mean, if you already got a Scatpack, so I don't know. But definitely, man, get that double bypass so you can put that in the back of your car. That way, man, your ODB part for the inside of your car is, you know what I'm saying, open. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the install, man. Make sure y'all are subscribed to the channel, man. I got a real dope mod. 2 dope mods, man, that we finna be introducing to the channel, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. And this one right here is definitely gonna be used for the double bypass that we installed today, man. So like I say, pick this up over at zautomotive.com. You can also get your Tazer over at zautomotive.com, man. But I ain't gonna hold the video up, man. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. And hey, man, it's your boy Scatyblk817 signing out, and I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.